really didn't inhibit me, but I'll be frank with you, I probably didn't like my picture being taken as often. Well, in my office, I realized I was the oldest guy there, and I was starting to look older and older and older. It was fine. It went much quicker and easier than I thought. I'm just amazed at how many people come up to me and say, "You get a great head of hair." Frankly, I lied a couple of times. I said no, but then I went back and told them. Lied to you the first time. I got my hair transplant. And they were amazed. I'd recommend anybody who's losing their hair and is looking for a safe alternative. This is the only way to go. Thanks a lot, Doc.
My hair loss affected me just by not feeling as confident when I was going out and meeting new people. I hated not feeling good or wanting to pose for the camera. Procedure was actually pretty easy. It wasn't anything crazy. I went to work that day. I watched movies on TV the whole time. It was about as painless as you can get. My life changed when I got my hair back. The investment was very much so worth it. I would specifically recommend Dr. Bolton to others. He's been great to work with, was really nice during the procedure, and all the staff here has been great. Thank you, Dr. Bolton.
One procedure. I was able to leave that night. I got a couple of pain pills. I don't even think I took them. And the next day I was, back to regular. I've gotten a tremendous amount of, hey, what have you done? Have you lost weight? Have you changed your hairstyle? I like your hair like that. I absolutely would. I've seen the progress, dramatic progress over the time when I started. Thank you, Dr. Bolton.
Looking at different sites, different doctors. I decided to choose Dr. Bolton. He do his procedure. Was the best choice for me. The doctor and the whole staff is very friendly. He was the doctor. I got that feeling from my heart that he was the doctor. No pain. We have a lot of fun. We went like this. Communication is not an issue. Any question, right away, email, phone calls. It was answered like this. And the results are truly amazing. Truly amazing in one procedure. My expectations were met and beyond.
First started noticing hair loss about 10 years ago. Well, when you lose your hair, you lose confidence. A lot of bald, a lot of forehead. I saw what he was doing and was very impressed. That's why I chose Dr. Bolton. It was painless, totally painless, comfortable procedure. My hair coming back gave me confidence. It made me feel a lot younger. Office and staff were very pleasant. They were easy to work with. I'm very pleased with my results, and I highly recommend Dr. Bolton for anyone. I'd say don't even think twice, just do it. Thank you, Dr. Bolton. I appreciate what you've done for me.